What if I told you your 3D printer could add perfect graphics to your prints? Stick around because there's one crucial trick you must know to get perfect results. Step 1. Print your design onto an acetate sheet using a laser printer. Step 2. Place the sheet toner side up on the printer bed. Now start your 3D print directly on top of it. As the first layers go down, the heat and pressure from the nozzle transfer the toner to the plastic. Once the print is done, it looks like it worked. But here's where most people mess up. If you peel it too soon, the toner won't fully set and you'll ruin your print. The secret: let the print cool completely before peeling. This locks in the toner and gives you a flawless transfer. That's it. Try it out and let me know how it works.